It's a return gift, Charizard, huh?
So off we go then.
Let me score a few goals, then I'll ask about return gift.
He could be
Wow.
in here.
Double touch.
It's
Sanju, hey, what a save, man.
That's a fine save.
Amado, hi, bro.
He's very sporty.
We gonna play at night stream, bro.
The quality of the save.
Subscriber friendlies.
Footballing moment.
Arey yaar, son, such a bad pass.
Looking for the runner. Ruben Diaz gets over and intercepts.
इतनी अच्छी squad है. अरे, why is he bringing his keeper? By the way, Red Lemon, are you still here? You were also like, I saw you were also facing this problem, bro. Your keeper was coming out again and again. Even same thing was happening with me yesterday. Look, again his keeper is coming out. Sorry. Come on, pass it. Yes. Back for Cancelo. Again 1-2. Now for Beckham. Big shot. Now for Cancelo. Way Beckham, bro.
He is through here.
Arey! Even I did the same thing, guys. Look.
Ruben Diaz. And here's the chance to counter.
F, bro, F.
Roberto Carlos. Casemiro. And it's played forward.
Come on, Beckham.
So what can they make of this?
Hey, what is he doing, yaar? Shall I? Arey, nice defending.
Find its target.
Arey, yaar.
Rijkaard did
This,
just about
I guess this is a new problem for us, yeah.
Neither party
Even I did this thing, yeah.
willing to compromise.
While pressing matchup, I guess keeper is coming out. Let me see. While pressing matchup, keeper is also coming out. If you match up and then swipe down, keeper will come out, bro. Be careful with that.
And that interception was most necessary.
Come on, through pass.
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Arey, Ronaldo! Arey, yaar, scam.
But the referee just tells him to get back up again. It's all a little bit desperate, but it's got the job done.
You know, it was an intervention that had to be made. Serious trouble laying store.
Arey, Mark! Bro, come on, this is a scripted game, I don't know.
Gone looking for
Seriously?
safety. That's been cut out.
Arey, bro. Matchup is a way to like intercept the. What is he doing with the defenders? Arey, guys, full script.
Is there to clear.
By how is he getting saved again and again?
The counter. And it's Pirlo.
Now this time you want. Arey, again. What the heck is going on, guys? Again he got saved.
Previous attempt,
They're
Guys.
just lacking a cutting edge, Peter, and while that's fairly obvious, the rest of their attacking play is actually quite good.
Again, how is this working, bro?
Beckham standing over it.
Come on, Beckham. Why isn't Carlos giving the cross? Arey, yaar, again a save.
Attempt, but not quite good enough.
He's so lucky. You can use the old layout, bro. Of course, wait, I'll show you. Those who are having the doubts regarding layout, just look at this. You can switch to the old layout. Okay? There is an option, press your style. This is the new layout, standard one. You can switch it to old one also, yeah. It's up to you guys. Yes. Short corner. Switch view. Is that Carlos? I think so, that's Carlos.
Played it short.
For Beckham. Yes. Beckham, stunning cross. This time to at least a goal. Yeah, man, this is a scripted game, bro. This is a scripted, I'm telling you, bro. This is a scripted game, bro. How is he getting saved? 10 saves from his keeper. Show me how many saves.
He's blown his whistle for half-time.
Show me the saves, bro.
Both sides have drawn blanks. They have toiled at times, but it's not been a bad game by any means.
5 saves, huh?
So there was the first half.
What an end to the half.
5 saves, guys. Wow, nice.
Of the half coming at
GG,
at the
bro.
very
GG.
end.
I hope now no legendary member comes and asks for gameplay. It's not script, it's just talent. Lol, yeah. It's okay. I don't.
The delivery wasn't.
It's okay. It's just a game, yeah. Even if it's not a script, or even if it's a script, it's not an issue, yeah. It's just a game. Enjoy it, bro. It happens in real life also, yeah. Your players get unlucky. See the final match. Courtois did so many saves, bro. So that wasn't a skip, bro. That
Pass is coming off in quick succession.
this happens in real life also. Come on. Arre, but seriously?
No, he couldn't
Again, guys, again.
well, being able to
I'm used to, bro. Now I'm used to getting this type of saves, yaar.
someone out.
Now I'm not having an issue. I'm fine, yeah. I'm absolutely fine, bro. No problem.
Lovely ball into space.
This is a sixth save, na, by the way? Or seventh?
He's got away.
This is a sixth or seventh one.
Ball is loose and the chase is on.
Courtois did 9 saves, na?
71,898.
And it's Pirlo.
Guys, Courtois did 9 or 8 saves in final game. I think so 9, na? Hamlo, hi Farhan, मेरे जान कैसे हो, bro? कौन सा Hamlo? How are you, man? Courtois did 9 saves or
Beckham.
how many saves? Can someone tell me? I don't remember.
The pressing's intense.
9, na?
And it's paid off.
So my wait. Now is this the time?
Now are very audible.
This time we are. Come on, yaar! This was my mistake, yaar. This was my mistake. Unnecessary skill show, yaar. Unwanted skill show. Unwanted skill show, yaar.
Better ball would have led to a very
This was my
different
mistake,
outcome
bro.
Quality deserted.
I guess he had made 7 saves so far, if I'm not wrong.
there. It's a pretty loose pass.
Goalkeeper is the man of the match, literally, bro.
Defenders on the back foot.
Yeah, final. I'm talking about the final.
Certainly needed to be.
Final में how many saves? He did 9 saves only, na? Come on, through pass. At least now, Ronaldo. Stunning shot. Cristiano Ronaldo. Hey, ball. Arre, yaar, I thought that's a corner kick. Fuck, bro.
Well, there's the clearance.
Man, seriously, yaar.
Don't you just love
I'm gonna upload this video, bro. I'm gonna upload this video.
Is prepared to back down, and to be honest, that's how it should be.
I'm gonna upload this video, bro. What? Don't say this is a penalty now. Thank gosh.
And that's clear cut. It's a free kick. The referee has resisted the temptation to go to his.
Let's go for 300 likes, guys. Like the stream, those who haven't. Also subscribe. तो फिर final का, yeah, I'm talking about the final only. Box, guys. Like those who haven't. Also subscribe. We are very close to
João Cancelo.
6.5k.
This has been a better
Come on, now I have to win this game.
Suggests, and it really does merit a go.
Messi, my man. Messi.
Played it in low.
No messing about, just bludgeoned away.
Messi, yeah.
Substitution.
Well, both sides.
I'm gonna tell it again, bro.
settle for a draw.
Can someone tell?
Although
Skiller बता देगा क्या, please? If someone knows, he can. अरे यार. Come on, let's win this game. Hurry up.
Haaland.
This time I'm gonna give my best to score a goal. अरे, fuck, bro, my mistake. अरे यार.
Minutes up, and we will be back for.
Go to South America,
the scoreline there
Serie A,
disappointing
and then the first team.
Peter, but that's where it ends. I think this
Guys,
game
seven-
has had a real lively feel, and
7
I'm
saves.
not ready to give up on
ये
it
टीम
yet.
का लोकेशन बता दो, टीम की लोकेशन.
So, a short respite for the players as they prepare themselves
Team's location,
for
bro.
another 30 minutes.
Substitution in progress.
No winner in 90.
Come on, yeah, let's win
30
this
more
game.
to come.
Again, his keeper is coming all lol.
Are certainly playing
Soham,
with
welcome
intense
back.
focus in executing their plan here.
Now it's Son Heung-min, Neymar.
अरे यार, such a noob dribbling. Why am I playing like... Yeah, default formation. Of course, default formation. No, Haaland. You won't get there.
It's another to add to football's endless list of could-haves and should-haves.
I'm such a noob. I'm doing pass and move with my CB. Seriously?
But if only the pass could have completed.
Come on, this time to Neymar Jr. Arre, Neymar. Now I want to do a skill and then only score a goal, bro.
Poor
Arre.
pass that, sloppy. Roberto Carlos.
Neymar! Arre yaar, again a save.
Got loose here.
Come on.
Great feet there.
Guys, penalty.
That's it.
Hell is this, yeah?
Period of extra time. Well, it is starting to feel as though there is an inevitability about penalties here.
Will this go to the penalties, guys? What do you guys say? His Haaland is out of stamina, lol.
15 minutes.
How is his Haaland out of stamina? I still wonder.
That far.
Acha, he brought him in 45 minutes.
Back underway. 105 minutes of football.
Are, yeah, please, no.
Header! It's in! That could turn out to be a huge goal! Straight header, made it look easy.
Well, look, it's often the timing of the jump that dictates what you can do with any header, and if you get it slightly wrong, then you'll struggle. But that was beautifully met, it really was.
After 19 minutes in extra time is number 21, Cristiano Ronaldo.
GG, guys, GG.
Deadlock broken.
No, this is not the golden goal rule.
Look, he's
Let
the
me
one
focus. I won't read the
everyone expects
chats.
to put the ball in the net. That's what he's paid to do.
Come on, Haaland. Arey yaar, his keeper. Bad cross, by the way. Why didn't he give the stunning cross here?
Mohamed Salah goes steaming forward, gets away from his opponents.
Arey. What scam?
And the shots!
Yeah, I know Android gaming. I know. I'm not good at this game, bro. Will he score it again? If he scores it again, no chance of comeback.
In with a header!
Thank gosh.
And that has been clubbed away.
Come on. Hurry up,
I
Messi.
think it's time for them to concentrate on closing this one out.
Man!
Cross.
Arey yaar! Nah, yaar! Nahi! Yaar, he's scam!
And that's that.
Yeah.
So it ends 1-0, an enthralling game.
Nice, GG. GG, guys, GG.
Surprisingly narrow defeat. So Jim, how do you
Nice
reflect
game.
on what we've seen?
I'm gonna upload this game, yeah. I'm gonna upload this gameplay. How many saves?
And it's the kind of
7. Wow, guys, wow.
performance that can drain confidence pretty quickly.
Anyways, I also wasted a lot of chances.
Close the deal.